Yet another video of accessories. You know, if you saw my recent short, that I got a couple of accessories from FansXpeng. I finally add them to my car, and in this video, part 1, I will show you a couple of them, how I install them and how they look inside the car. And I will tell you then if they are useful or not. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and this is the XPeng G6 Owner's Diaries. It's important to say that FansXpeng did send these samples to me for free so that I could test them and show you if they are useful or not for our XPengs. Anyway, I am completely free to say whatever I want about them, so you can expect my real feeling about what I will show you today. I need to say that if you decide to buy any accessories from the website of FansXpeng using my referral link, I will get a commission from that. So if you decide to use my referral link, I appreciate the support you are providing to the channel. This is the trunk of the G6, and as you can see, there are a lot of places to store stuff. So you have this first one, and you have also here another one that you can store stuff. But then here on the main part of the car, you see that it's very open. And there is this accessory that you can just put here, something that you can put, for instance, bottles or something like that, that you buy and just store here on the side. So let's install these ones to see how they work. So these ones comes like these, as you can see, and it's very easy to install. You just need to come here, adjust here to where you want them to be, and just stick then these part, and that's it. And you get here a new place to store stuff. So it does fit very well. It looks really nice here. So this is how they look now. Inside here, so there is this space here, and on the other side there is this space here. And is this useful? Well, to store some things, for instance, my cleaning material for removal of bugs, cleaning the windows, and some things here. So I can even store my new vehicle to load also adapter here on the side so that it's always available if I need it. Cool. So now I just have some new places to store stuff. Let me show you in this way. And I can still open these without any issue. So yes, I do recommend this one. It's cheap and it gives a little bit more space to store stuffs, especially bottles and stuff like that, that instead of just rolling around in the trunk, you can just store them over there, or as I am going to use it to store some cleaning material. I do believe that it's a good addition for the XPeng. In this accessory, as you can see, it's very, very simple to put inside the car. So this is just to hanging your coat in the back seats if you want to, because as you know, there is no place to put the coats here on the back places. So if you just had these to here, so this is for the driver, you have another one that you can put also here. For instance, if you have also a bag, if you want, so you can have 4 things like these in the back of the front seats, or you can just use this one on the other passenger so that they can use also this adapter, and it looks like this. So it's very simple. It just hangs out here. You can even make this so that it looks better. It fits pretty well with the car, as you can see. So it's very simple. It's just a simple accessory that you can then hang here whatever you want, like a coat. Let me show you. And here it is. Let's just hang here this coat. As you can see, very easy. And the coat then just goes hanged in the front seat. So is this useful for your XPeng? I would say so. If you do use coats or suits and you want to hang up there something. I do believe that it's useful. Until now, I have been just putting my coat on the back seat through there, but it's just a normal winter coat. But for suits and even for some things that cannot be all messed up on the back seat, this may be useful to have to hang up a couple of things over there.
This one is just a tray that you can install in the back of your screen, as you can see, like this. Okay, so you will have it like this in the back of your screen. So you can then store here, I would suggest only very light stuff so that they don't fly away when you are driving. But this is something that you can store here, like some tissues. To make these to stay in the place, you need to peel off these glue stuff. And now let's just position them in here, more or less in the middle. And then just press it. And it's on the place. And now we can just put this rubber stuff here, just to make things a little bit more sticky. And that's it. Another accessory installed. And now you can have things like this in here that if they fly away, they will not harm anyone, and it can give you some things for whatever you need.
It's just another storage area that you can create in your car. Is this useful? I don't know, only time will tell, but I don't like to have very heavy stuff on there, because if you are driving and if you need then to make a emergency brake or just turn very quickly, everything that it's going to be there probably will gonna fly. So I consider only to put there some like tickets for tools or tissues or something very light that can be stored over there. So only with time I will be able to tell you if this is a very good one or not. But if you are expecting to get more storage space, more places to have things, this may be a good solution for that.
This one is a nice one if you use sunglasses a lot and you want them easily accessed. So for instance, this is just a clip that you can just install here on the top of the this place here. So it's just installed like this, and then you can use it to just stuck your glasses here and use it as you want. Of course, that probably you should install it like this so that you can still access the mirror. So let me show you how this works. So you just put here and that's it. So you have your sunglasses here, as you can see. So it doesn't affect the view. You can use it whatever as you want, and then you just need to click and use. Important to refer that you need to have glasses that has these things here. Because if you have glasses like these ones, it will not be useful because you cannot attach them here, okay? Because there is no place to grab this stuff.
So if you do use sunglasses and you want a place to store them, this is a good solution that it's very cheap, because there are some other solutions to store the sunglasses. You can use as me on the central tray that I have also. And there are some other options that you can install on your car for the sunglasses, but this is the cheapest one and the one that it's dedicated for the sunglasses.
So now I am showing you a cover for the steering wheel. As you can see, it's like this. Let me show you some details of it. So it does look nice, okay? So it does look well made, as you can see. The question here is this going to allow the heating of the steering wheel to work? So let's see how the installation process goes here. It's not, I am very bad on doing this type of stuff. Okay, almost there. I will make it. It's almost there. Okay, already making the turn signals. And that's it. So now let's just do the final adjustments. Okay. Let me show you how it looks. So it does feel, I don't know how to explain. So it does look a little bit more bulky, okay, inside. You feel the difference here. But it is just to protect your steering wheels. I have already activated the steering wheel heating so that I can see if this will heat or not the thing. I will let you know in a few minutes. So guys, let me say that this does let the heat go through, okay? So it feels good. If I put my hand below this, it feels exactly the same heat, so it does go through, so it's nice. The only thing that I may feel it as a problem is that it's going to get a little bit bulkier, okay? So it does feel a little bit larger to fit in your hands. So for women, for instance, it may feel too big of a steering wheel.
So is this useful? To protect, yes, of course, it can protect the original materials of your steering wheel. It doesn't block the heating from the steering wheel, so it's a good sign also. But it does bring a little bit bulkiness to the steering wheel. My wife already drove the car with the cover there, and she called me saying that the steering wheel looked smaller. So I really don't know. I have to drive the car still and see by myself what it feels like. But it does protect, so I will probably get used to it, and at least I will know that the materials below this protected cover will be okay in the future. So this is it, guys. This was the first part one of the accessories that I got. I will then release this one and I will release the part two soon. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you buy any accessories on FansXpeng using my referral link, you are supporting the channel via the commission that I will get. So thank you very much for that. I hope any of these accessories may be useful for you. I am testing them so that you don't have to test, just get the ones that you feel are really useful for you and your life and to protect your car. Thank you very much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.